What is up, you guys? This is Seth with Game is Real, and today was an incredibly eventful day in Pokemon Go because of the windy weather that we were experiencing. Now, as you can see, it's nighttime, and the weather is clear, so it changed, which means you're going to have to get out there and capitalize on windy weather when it actually shows up. Which is exactly what I did, because windy weather spawns more dragons. And more dragons means more Dratinis. And more Dratinis means more Dragonites, and that is exactly what happened today. I caught 3 Dragonites today. The first one, I only recorded a small shot. That's what you're seeing right now. But the second 2, I did full recordings of because, come on, you catch 3 wild Dragonites in a day, you gotta record it. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you the IVs for the best Dragonite that I caught, and it is a monster. For a wild-caught Dragonite, I am extremely pleased. Everybody's got all these Dragonites. I didn't really get any. So if I get another good Dragonite, that'll only be my second. I barely got my existing Dragonite up to nearly max CP. Let's see what this one's IVs are like. Above average. It's not terrible. And let's Pineapple this Abra. Ooh, it's 860. Pineapping it might not be a great idea, but I'm doing it anyway. Oh no! Stop doing that. Now, Abracadabra and Alakazam are and always will be and always have been my favorite Pokemon. I named my cat Abra just to express to you how much I like that line. Hey, a perfect attack IV. Keep this one starred. And then these are garbage. I don't really need these guys. We're going to move on to a different spot. Holy crap, guys, this windy weather. I swear this windy weather is getting Dragonite spawns everywhere. I don't know what this one's going to be like. Question marks. What? Question marks. Alright, I'm gonna Pineapple Ultra Ball this on the first throw just because I really want more candies. Oh, you clever girl. If it breaks out, I don't know. It might be tempting to use a Golden Raspberry. Oh, jeez. No, I'm gonna try the Pineapple again. Great throw, Pineapple, Ultra Ball. Oh god, no. Alright, running low on Pineapple Berries. Running low on Ultra Balls. I think this might be the last Pineapple I use on it if it breaks out. Oh, awesome! That is awesome. I cannot stress to you enough how useful it is to have windy weather. And it's a wonder. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And it's 3,000. What? Holy crap! I caught this Dragonite at 3,173 CP. That is the highest CP Pokemon I have. Wow. What should we call this? Wind. So I'm going to go with Tempest. Oh, that is so great. That is so awesome to see. Guys, get out there in the windy weather. It is so worth it. Seriously, guys, the Dratini are out. The Dragonite are out. I have yet to see a Dragonair today, but that's fine because I've caught 2 Dragonites today. 2 Dragonites. Honestly, I'm running really low on Pineapple Berries, so I'm just going to Savage Season this. Yes, I did just use the word Savage Season. Guys, do you see that? Another Dragonite? Another one on my nearby. Are we going to catch 3 Dragonites today? 3 wild Dragonites because of this windy weather? This beautiful, lovely, amazing windy weather? I guess we'll see. Wow. And there it is, guys. There it is. The 3rd wild Dragonite of the day. This is insane. This is unheard of. And it's 3,015 CP? Oh, God. Okay, I'm gonna try with the pineapple berry. I only have 3 pineapples left though, so it might not be worth it. Oh god. You know what? How often do you find 3 wild dragonites in one day? I'm going pineapple berry until I don't have any more. Alright guys, last pineapple berry, so this is our last chance to get a crap ton of candies for this. But if we catch it, I'll be happy enough. 3 dragonites. Oh no! Alright. Gotta go with the golden raspberry. There's nothing else when you get a wild dragonite like this. Golden raspberry, ultra ball, great throw. Let's see. And we got it. 3rd dragonite of the day. 3rd wild dragonite of the day, guys. This is insane. This is, all I can say is that this is insane. Alright, now even though this one is 3015 CP, it has crappy IVs, so we will probably be transferring it, but hey, that's our 3rd wild dragonite of the day, guys. 3rd wild dragonite, and all because of this amazing new development, windy weather. Get out there, guys. Now, I already transferred the other 2 dragonites that I caught. This one was the best, however. 3137. Over 3000 CP caught wild. I didn't have to power this up at all. I now have 83 Dratini candies, and for whatever reason, it's given me a hard time about showing the screenshots from Pokegenie to show you exactly what its IVs are. I'll take a screenshot of it. It is 91% perfect IVs. On a wild-caught Dragonite that ended up being the highest CP Pokemon that I have. Guys, windy weather is incredible. It is your best friend. Go out and catch some Dragonites. Thanks everybody for watching Game is Real. Seth out.